Have a Onan 30EK generator, natural gas, older model. Not sure what year it is. Once I find out, I'll put it in the description. Had to do some work to the starter today. Had a power outage last week before last actually, and for some reason the neighborhood lost natural gas pressure and it shut off, and then when it went to restart, the pinion gear on the starter wasn't engaging. So I took the starter off, cleaned it up. It was kind of gunked up a little bit from I don't know what. Cleaned it up, and it's been doing fine now. Our high-tech battery maintaining system here. Mess of wiring, but that was done well before I got here. So go ahead and start her up, and we'll put the shop on the generator power. This powers the servers and AC lights, all that here at my second job. So it's got the very basic display control panel. You got your AC voltmeter, hour meter, 723.6 hours on it. Oh, if it'll focus, see. Engine oil pressure, water temperature, amp meter for the batteries, run, stop, and remote. The exciter circuit breaker, phase selection, and voltage adjustment. Excuse me. So start it. You just flip it up to run, and it'll do its start cycle. So we'll go ahead and do that. And that's it.